So you want to know how to block spam comments on YouTube? Well, the spam filter on YouTube is really good. So let me show you how. So recently I did this video called 12 Easy Freelance Jobs for Beginners. No experience needed. And one of the jobs is to create manual blog comments and get paid. Interestingly enough, Daniel Cruz made a reference to this. Maybe you should hire some comment writers for your videos. Well, as you can see, there isn't a lot of comments here, but it's because I blocked the spam comments with the YouTube spam filter. So let's see how to turn it on. First of all, you want to go ahead and go into your Creator Studio and then scroll down to Community and then to Comments. As you can see, I've got plenty of comments, but I also have a lot held for review and even more considered likely spam. Now, every now and again, I'll go through the held for review and choose the ones that I think actually are okay. I find it's about 30% of these comments are fine to publish. If you wanted to publish one of these comments, you just click on this little box here and then hit approve. And the comment automatically gets approved and added to the video. But how do you filter these comments? Well, go down to Community, then Comments, and then under Community Settings, we'll just click here. Now you'll find your automated filters for YouTube. Now, I haven't gone ahead and blocked any keywords. I've just gone ahead and changed these default settings. Now, what you want to do is go down to Comments on your channel and click Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments Review. Now, it says it's in beta, but it's been like that for quite some time. And when you click on that and go up at the top and hit Save, well, it will start filtering out your comments. Just remember to go back into Held for Review every now and again, just to make sure the right comments are coming through. And it's as easy as that. Now, how do you do this in YouTube Studio Beta? Well, you go down to Settings, and when you go to Other Settings, you'll see you can click on Community. So you're actually going to be switching back to the Creator Studio Classic. So it is no different to what I've shown you before, but that's how you get back to it. They'll update this screen and add it to Studio Beta in coming months. So hopefully that's answered your question, and now you know how to block spam comments on YouTube. I encourage everyone to go ahead and click on the Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for Review. Don't forget to click on the block links too, because generally spam tends to have links as well. If you want to see more how-to videos, then let me know in the comments below on what you need to know. So that's all I've got time for today, and until next time, it's bye for now.